everybody. I hope everybody is well today. I'm noticing that my sweatshirt kind of looks like a robe. I am happy for those who are able to come and sit with me today, or for those who are catching the recording. I'm happy that you are here. So today I want to do a gentleness meditation, and also it'll be a gentleness meditation, and it's also going to be a kneading meditation. So it's kind of an interesting combination of the two, but I feel that resonates really with the feeling for me today. So that's what I want to tap into. So go ahead and take your seat. You can be seated on a cushion with your legs crossed gently in front of you, or on a chair with your feet planted firmly on the ground, and your hands just resting gently on your thighs. And here I just want you to move into your body a little bit. You can close your eyes and just move your body. Circle your head. Roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Maybe move your upper body a little, doing circles while seated. If you're going one direction, go the other direction. And just notice your body right now. Areas that may be tight, stiff. No need to create a story around them. Just see if you can let it be how it is. No need to force it to be something other. And now take a deep breath through the nostrils. And exhale. And come into the body more now, just stillness in the body. And see if you can just be here, feeling yourself supported by the chair or the cushion. And if you notice sounds around you, just welcome those. Sound is not a barrier to meditation. And I want you to see if you can locate gentleness in the body. See if you can cultivate this sense of gentleness. Maybe it means putting your attention on different places within the body. And see if you can bring a gentle attention, a gentleness, a friendliness to those areas within the body. And within yourself. And anytime your mind wanders, you get caught in stories or thoughts, bring a gentleness to this moment too. Gently bring yourself back to gentleness. using a friendly voice. Thanks so much for sharing. I see you. I'm just going to come back now to this present moment, cultivating the sense of gentleness within me. And use that moment where you become distracted and you notice the distraction as a way to soften to yourself. Now that you've found some gentleness within the body, see if you can keep this as you move your attention to your breath. Just noticing where you feel the breath most clearly in the body and letting that be your point of attention. So it could be your abdomen, it could be your chest, the cool air within the nose. And see if while your attention is on your breath, you can still feel the gentleness within the body. You can still feel the sensation. Sometimes you'll hear people say use a gentle breath, gentle, easy breath. See if you can bring that gentleness toward the breath. Nurturing the breath. This moment. There's nowhere else you need to be. You are exactly in the right place. And now with each inhale, I want you to think or identify what it is that you need. What you're really needing for yourself right now, or what you're needing from others right now. What you're needing with your health, what you're needing with your finances, what you're needing in relationship and connection. All of what it is that you feel that you need. Within each inhale, name that. Silently name that as you inhale. And on the exhale, just let it dissolve on the exhale. Long exhale. And again, in the background is this sensation of gentleness. Nurturing the need, not dismissing it, not rejecting it, not getting upset by it. See if you can allow it. Not judging it. And be really honest with yourself. And anytime you get distracted, bring that sense of friendliness again. And come back to inhaling the need and exhaling, letting it dissolve. Right now for me, I have my hand to my belly. Just naturally went there. So if your hands feel like they need to be on you somewhere else besides your thighs, move your hand to that area, maybe to your heart, to your belly, to your forehead, to your neck. And wherever your hands are right now, or hand is, start to breathe into that area. Bringing the need into that area. Bringing the gentleness to that area. You can let your hand go. Let the need go. And just sit in the gentleness, the stillness. Let go of the breath. And when you're ready, start to come back into the physical body. You can take deeper breaths or just start to roll your shoulders up, back, and down. Circle your head, your wrists. Stretch out into space, just feeling what it feels like. And when you're ready, you can blink your eyes open and come back into the space. I hope that was nurturing. Oftentimes when we have need or want or desire, we fight with it, we struggle with it. So it's important for us to bring gentleness towards that, the needs that we have. Because if we lose that gentleness towards them, it's possible for us to see them as not valid, not valuable, not necessary. Okay, I'm going to choose a card today. And this is an abundance deck. And it says, I will praise success wherever I see it. I will praise success wherever I see it. So this is also gentleness too. This is need as well. When you find yourself critical of the way anyone is, when you find yourself critical of the way you are, right? See if you can bring a sense of gentleness towards these moments today. Okay? I hope all of you, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, have a wonderful day where you get to sit in gratitude which is phenomenal. And again, this is a wonderful time to see if you can look through this lens. In the moments where you're noticing that you have started judging, dismissing, just seeing with through a lens that creates more suffering, struggle, see if you can notice it and move yourself into gentleness. All right. Oh yeah, I'm happy that was the perfect card for you today, Nadine. Yes. Praise it. Celebrate. Celebrate. Okay. Mwah. Lots of love to all of you. See you next week. Same time, same place.